Okay, we're on to question 7, looking at for loops. Hopefully you're just coming in from question 6. Now question 6, we added up all the numbers from 1 to a number. Now what we want to do is we want to create, let's actually go to the question, Write a program to calculate factorials. 6 factorial, written as 6, bang, I used to call that, 6 exclamation mark, is calculated as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We already have a program which can add up all of the numbers from any given number to any other given number, to down to 1, right? Now, we can just change this existing program and it should give us a factorial generating program, right? So I'm going to pick a number. My total is 0. For I in range, total times equals 1. Times equals. So each time I want to times total by whatever number I is. And I'm going to change this print statement from number exclamation mark is that. So number in my dot format, checking that, number exclamation mark is total, what that should turn into. Cool. This isn't going to work. Hopefully you've figured out why. If you haven't figured out why, pause it now. Check why it's not going to work. See if you can debug this program to figure out why this program isn't going to work in 2 places. But we'll run it, see if making it not work tips you off as to why it's not going to work. Okay, run. Pick a number. Let's do something easy. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 3 factorial is 0. Of course, timesing by 0, it doesn't matter how often I times, I'm never going to get any other number other than 0. So my total needs to become 1. Okay, run it again. Pick a number, 3. Still at 0. Why? It's because range num plus 1 will give me 0, 1, 2, 3. I actually want to start at 1. Pick a number. I'm going to pick 3 again. 3 factorial is 6. Awesome, it's working. Yes. Can I pick a bigger one? Because that's the whole point of programming, right? 1,000. Yeah, nice. Look at that. And that returns straight away. Can we do a bigger one? Go for it. Why not? We did it 1,000,000 before, and it worked pretty quickly. How fast is this going to return? 3. Come on. Do it. Please work. We're not frozen. We're waiting. 1,000,000's probably too big. I thought it would take the same amount of time as adding it. Clearly not. Okay. Maybe your computer's better than mine and will do that calculation a bit faster. Too much. One last one. Let's go 10,000. Just to see. Just instantly. How fantastic is that? That there is the power of programming and for loops in particular. They're so quick. So quick. Right. That is question 7 done. On to question 8. Oh, I'm looking at my mouse in my screen and not actually on. There it is.